Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of April, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.51. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded funds performance during this time frame. The ETF faced a loss of -2.24%. This results in an average loss of -0.75% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -14.72% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -19.62% and -8.86%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 10.73%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 7.47% to 34.30% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $507.71 and $634.44. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for VOO ETF after losing 2.34%. The VOO ETF price fell by 2.34% on the last day, which was Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, from $483.74 to $472.42. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.6%, with a day low of $467.33 and a day high of $479.49. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 1.48% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating that the risk may slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 8 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 16.22%, or $91.48, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, major U.S. equities, including the S&P 500, are experiencing a significant decline, largely influenced by President Trump's intensified criticism of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's interest rate policies. This turmoil has led to Wall Street's main indexes sliding to 1-week lows, exacerbating concerns over the Fed's autonomy and sparking deeper anxieties surrounding the ongoing trade conflict with China. Analysts warn that these trade tensions could severely impact the S&P 500, potentially slashing its value by several percentage points. Technology stocks have felt the brunt of this sell-off, with giants like Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon tumbling significantly. As tariff fears and political uncertainties mount, the tech sector is increasingly driving broader market weakness. In this climate, the S&P 500 has fallen into correction territory, down by approximately 14% from its January peak. Despite this challenging environment, there are glimmers of hope, with some analysts predicting a rebound in earnings for the second quarter of 2025, guided by robust retail sales trends. However, the surrounding volatility makes short-term outlooks particularly uncertain. Investors might find themselves weighing the risks of buying the dip in exchange-traded funds like VOO, while the long-term impacts hinge on stabilization in both trade discussions and Federal Reserve policies. In summary, today's turbulence underscores a complex interplay of political dynamics and economic fundamentals that could shape stock market trajectories for months to come. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.43%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been identified, which may influence short-term developments. The VOO ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $485.94 and $507.71. A breakout above any of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands also reflect a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 38 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 30 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $465.52. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the fund moved $12.16 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.6%. In the past week, the ETF experienced a daily average volatility of 2%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO stands at $482.06. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $465.52. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We currently have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and no stop loss has been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative indicators and remains within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading to our negative assessment of this ETF. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the present price is undervalued for trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April. We predict that VOO will open higher by approximately 66 cents, beginning trading at $473.08. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.